The death toll due to COVID-19 rose to 3,163 and the number of cases climbed more than 1 lakh today, registering an increase of 134 deaths and 4,970 cases of coronavirus infections in the last 24 hours since Monday 8 a.m. United States is among the worst-hit countries with 14,09,452 coronavirus cases. Here are the latest updates. National Testing Agency on Tuesday extended the opportunity for candidates to apply for JEE Mains, the entrance exam for engineering colleges. The application window for Joint Entrance Exam, JEE Mains, which opened on May 19, will have to be completed latest by May 24. The exam will be held across the country from July the 18th to the 23rd. The center today asked the states and the union territories to operate more special trains in close coordination with the railways for transportation of migrant workers and said special attention should be given to women, children and elderly. Andhra Pradesh Chief Minister E. Jagan Mohan Reddy on Tuesday announced schools in the state would reopen from August 3. The Chief Minister also said that shops would reopen and public transport too would resume in the state, while shopping malls, movie theatres, religious events, seminars will remain shut in Andhra Pradesh. Karnataka on Tuesday recorded the highest single-day rise in the COVID-19 cases in the state as a whopping 149 people tested positive for the virus. With the spike in new cases, the overall tally has risen to 1,395. Pakistan reported 1,841 new cases of the novel coronavirus and 36 fatalities during the last 24 hours, taking the total infections in the country to nearly 44,000 with 939 deaths, the Health Ministry said on Tuesday.